Okay, hi you guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lex. I'm Lex, and today I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to make a no-bake Oreo cheesecake. For today's ingredients, we will be needing unsalted butter, cream cheese, a lemon, Oreos, salt, vanilla, graham crackers, light brown sugar, and whipping cream. First, we will take 1 graham cracker, put it inside of a Ziploc bag, and then crush it with a cup. When it is done, we will put it into our mixing bowl. Then we will take 1/4 of a cup of light brown sugar and put that into your mixing bowl. Now we will place 25 Oreos into a Ziploc bag and crush it with a cup. And then you will also put this into your mixing bowl. Now you want to take 7 tablespoons of butter and melt that in the microwave. Now we're going to take our melted butter and we're going to go ahead and mix it into the crust. Now you're going to want to go ahead and get a mixer and mix all the ingredients for the crust. Now that it's all mixed, you're going to want to go ahead and get your cooking spray and spray the pan. Now that the Oreos are and everything is into the pan, you want to go ahead and take a spoon and press it into the pan to make it all smooth and equal. I am done pressing it all into my pan. Now I'm going to go ahead and start mixing the stuff for the cheesecake. Now for the cake part, you're going to want to take 7 Oreos and put them in your bag again and crush them. Once they are crushed, you're going to want to go ahead and put them into the mixing bowl. Now you're going to want to take your vanilla Molina and get 2 tablespoons of it. And then go ahead and put that into your crust as well. Now you're going to want to get your salt shaker and get 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to want to go ahead and cut your lemon, and you want to get 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So go ahead and squeeze that into your tablespoon. When you got your tablespoon, go ahead and add that to the cake mix. Now we're going to take our heavy whipping cream and get 2 1/4 cup of that and put that into our cake mixing bowl. Now we're going to measure out 2 1/4 cup. 1, 2, and 1/4. Beat the heavy cream until it's thick. Now that it's nice and thick and it's not as runny, I'm going to go ahead and add in the cream cheese and begin mixing that inside. Now we will be taking 1 pound of cream cheese and adding that to our cake mixing bowl. You will also need to add 2/3 cup of sugar. And then go ahead and mix that all together. And you're going to want to go ahead and beat the cake mix with the mixer until it is smooth. I think it is ready to be poured into my pan, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut a couple pieces of Oreos in half. That way, as I'm pouring it inside, I can go ahead and place the Oreos into the pan That way in each bite, or not every single bite, but as we're cutting it, there's actually large pieces of Oreo inside the cheesecake. Okay, now that they're all in half, I'm actually going to go ahead and begin pouring my cheesecake. I'm going to go ahead and put a small layer and smooth it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and place some Oreos on top. I think that's generally smooth, so... Now I'm going to go ahead and add some more of this on top, and then I'll be adding another bunch of Oreos and after I do that. Alright, once you have all your cheesecake mixed into your pan, you're going to want to go ahead and smooth out the top. I have smoothed it out as best as I could. Now it is ready to refrigerate for 6 hours, and after the 6 hours are up, you're able to eat it. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I've taken my cheesecake out of my pan. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make some stabilized whipped cream so I could go ahead and decorate the cheesecake. To do this, you want to go ahead and get 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. You want to add 1 box of Jell-O of your choice. I wanted to do chocolate. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to get 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I have also decided to crush up some more Oreos and graham crackers so I can go ahead and lay this over on the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle all this on top of my cake. Okay, perfect. Now that is done, you're going to want to go ahead and get your piping bag and place your desired design nozzle into the tip. Then you're going to want to go ahead and cut the tip off and put this icing inside so I can go ahead and begin making my swirls on top of my cake. Now that I am done with this, I'm going to want to go ahead and put a piece of a whole cookie inside each one of these little swirls. Okay, I have gone ahead and cut my cookies in half to do this. And now I am done with my Oreo cheesecake.